Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block and unblock someone on Instagram. Let's get to it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Then you should go to your profile by clicking on the profile button. Then choose this button on the top right corner of your screen. Then there will be several options for you, and you have to choose settings option. And after that, you can tap privacy option right here and scroll down your screen. Then you have to choose blocked accounts. And you should click on this plus button to add someone to your blocked accounts. And I'm going to block this account. And you can simply click on block option. Block button right here. And if you block someone on Instagram, they won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. And you have to remember that they won't be notified that you blocked them. Okay, and we have to click on this block button. Alright, and this is the blocked account on our Instagram. And if we want to unblock the account, you can click on this unblock button like this and choose unblock. Okay guys, that's how we can block and unblock someone on Instagram. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.